Out to say and Jubosi come wasem. So confirm not to say the accident and emergency center ayema. Na omuntimi NG new cases according to management. Na mame kwa mano so na menimi nua Kwame Frimpong kasa de ma confirm noche teaching hospital mame ni nkomo na yente ase agya MCC from enra nyina nkomodi aminya course John ade na sie na ye pese ti ase de ekoso nua ba cho temi nka apomboko de
na me daroma ni chesi ko ni house
ye da se pa no pai se wagye yen so na krata ani nsem abeto obonti wadaroma ubechire mama yen the management person mo chira nkasa
so me da city and say say ya I mean I go this will be emma confirmation na only you are no possible. Unfortunately, as a medicine center, the capacity maximum is 37. After when you issue statement, now you over 60 patients. I draw my tour. That space and I draw my tour from 37 to over 60. Now, Orange, I have 12. Now, almost 31, 32. This is almost triple the original capacity. Red and FNP7 near 13, which is almost double. We 34 into Guetra in your baby and for Monton. Now, doctors need to be for say, Yan to a muka crack. I'm not looking snabano and coded surrounding hospitals now. But we the victims I know victims I know. But so all the surrounding hospitals are the best thing to source in source to I could say young cases, you clear. Must be about not your jomo, as about never to or more efficiency. So that was a better option. That's all the men about the 34 now. Wow, yeah, where say within the next 12-24 hours, Saturday 4 on Quano, we are not sure to be not enter. I'm a woman, and I space I'm a woman. Now, new ones are about come. So it was a common sense approach. Set the hospital better home, and probably go on more by young space in a woman, no more dear. And ye better say, you don't walk on the betting here, young fair and take the car. You need the original health director, a Zoom meeting. Among substance in now, a hospital now, what you know, they were on the platform. We actually be and the decision was that the negative case are very critical. They will handle them for the time being. So I know my space to clear. If you look at some pay, Sasha say add new cases because of this arrangement now. You make an answer, I am. But the next buying in I say, confirmation contemporary diary said you may move this rating when it comes to special health care. The idea also in I may need bank Bakura 87.9 or Basa confirmation. A bit to me, Sabako, it's like a 10 a buyer said you may know it is here. Say, Reggie, you do a concrete. We share health facilities. I will handle. Again, bit my yard. You make their confirmation in giving facilities and so to make DBMI. Say, I'm doing now, maybe go confirmation. Maybe the example, the same population as Central Region, virtually the same population in Greater Accra region. If you want to say good Greater Accra, or you do just a confirmation be and so yes, I will order special facilities as I block with for the same population. What are something we do now? Just one hospital. And even before something we are taking with us from 12 other regions. After we are in other Akawudom. It is that I'm not saying a buy with free make a credit program until now, yes, 2 year point a credit, but they make out. No, I'm saying Ghana says for meeting a year, all non critical, yeah, emergencies are anywhere like life and death. Don't be sustain almost for the time being. The cases in the community, and okay, you start by admitting new cases.
Okay, but oh, boy, Kakrani and Tiasi, now can say more yellow, orange, red. Is that meti semiti?
I know your word.
I know your word. Okay.
I said the the color codes and the admissions.
Okay.
Red and the woman quanta. Which you mean something to come
okay.
And the war orange and medical emergencies and yellows mostly the car emergencies.
Okay.
And color code and the divisions internet for yellow ward, red ward, orange ward. So what's the one near me?
Enti ward senior na wakase ni na fabroso. Ebia mu bia fabroso.
Ebia fabroso.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na Bajo, I didn't do it, because Kai said,
there's only one facility in this region now. Take it for emergencies. Air confirmation. The same population, Okra, they are almost 10 hospitals segment. Indeed, yes, patient overflow.
Okay.
Okay,
so me beside this question because now me per se, sir. Communicate ebi aba bonten pen say management are taking this decision no more announce it to the public say omonye new emergency cases until the man answer this question. Yes, this is a special case. Is it that emergency cases now a fee yeah recorded do e kosro na say I mean that's until the man answer that question.
In this particular case it was the number of cases that na space ma omuna ana ma akosu 34 34 we dey hospital kwano so ka say say can empty 34 no kebeti mama na yema so it's like the area capacity kwano another batch of people to go actually as you view on the corona so if you can now more cases to come and this is something that the doctors have been pushing say and yet best point say we space now we continue to allow people to come in.
Okay.
So what best practice?
Okay.
No, you think
unni space. But also o jinipano.
Exactly. When you hit your limit, you should create the impression say you are still in a position to cater for independence from Mumra. Who you know from Mumra? A more dangerous, but once the patient discharges any other case review no, and resulting in the creation of space that then the company will be criminal.
Exactly.
This hospital like it sustain no. Open say in space now or madam.
And to going forward, in order not to get to this situation, be is it possible, say maybe there are some cases more rejected so that we will not get to this point.
We're going to search for a meeting, and if I agreed on some of the cases that everybody will go, our specialists will be on standby and provide
87.9 Kumasi.
So that when the congested hormone, then those pieces can then be brought back to conformity, and really a better alternative than say over the queues are not for bed 12 hours. Not will be any different frequencies because there is no space that they are admitting. No, of course, this hospital now, there's one now. Maybe a distribution so. I'm at least with leave for a day or two as I get not by Honma. I'm at work issues.
But your case is for the benefit of your tier for Intias, you know. This project Koswa, Yenina Nimua, a halt because now on a contractor can say, Sika also Munya to continue the project, no Omunyanti, or workers square war, a war site in Accra, no Maclay or Mofriho. That is the maternity and then the children's block. Cases CB, cases anka, we are also Kebetime receive some of these cases are Kebetime, I reduce pressure, or accident and emergency.
So, we are Quebec, maybe a first cases, you know, and catastrophe in the rabbit hole. Because these cases in a new project, you know, so that we get Friday Bako for 70 years. Unfortunately, you see what Bakukanka hospital
for how many years?
70 years. You see a single inpatient facility. Wow. Bakukanka hospital, no. It is our project, you know, and the every create additional 500 beds at the confirmation. I don't know in space because that 500 a bed, you know, I don't know child health, any ONG for me now, broken. No baby, almost hammering. I want the Dahomey expanded for the medical and surgical disciplines, you know. At your machine. Even though some projects in the case of the corona, and you be now, you are broken. But we are a big space in the old blocks, you know, case my abrokono, it be in a quiet home.
I see. Kwame, me no wie no 34 no we confirm am I say eno ye backlog anu na mo ka ho asem say omo
Any backlog.
but motimi mo start e clear no enei you can confirm to us say
I'm not that the message no I can the thing it mean a coin with them maybe I'm okay I'm yet to get the updated you know but sometimes because now the Ghana service one the critical ones we are using the addition of the critical what you call the dial emergencies
okay so that does it mean say bi wo ho anka mo discharge you mo sign mo refer mo to a different facility so that be ambanya space ana
now we are diverting them all, and we are also asking the Ghana service to retain them.
Oh, okay.
So on the case is very our consultants are on standby. We have created a platform, a joint platform, the Ghana service in order medical supply of hospitals in our Santo region. We have created a joint platform. In the cases, they are an arrangement for their distribution and management.
I see. Enti Kwame me no wie no and then mo betimi age new emergency cases.
Yes, that emergencies and
yeah, critical no mo betimi ahase age.
Exactly.
But then you critical there mo be
direct. We going to cater for them at the peripheral hospitals.
Okay. Ba me that's no pay. Was a friend Kwame from Pom. Nti de tie no. Now asem wey edika